सरकारी पावण्यार खूप फेस्टिवलां जातात, पणजे ओनूय पर्पल फेस्टिवल जाले। अपंगुळा खातीर ते घडोवन हाडले। 17 देशांतले 13,000 प्रतिनिधी या कार्यावळींत वांटेकार जाल्ले, अशें मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगले। पणजे 6 दिसांचे आंतरराष्ट्रीय पर्पल फेस्टिवल सोंपले। 13,000 प्रतिनिधी या कार्यावळींत वांटेकार जाल्ले, अशी माहिती मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान कार्यावळीच्या निमण्या सुवाळ्या वेळार दिली। जागतिक यूट्यूब चॅनल पर्पल टीव्ही भारत, अपंगत्व आशिल्ल्या व्यक्तीं खातीर 24 वरां सेवा, भारताची पहिली मेघ आधारित IVRS अपंगत्व माहिती लायन सेवा आदी महोत्सवान उक्ताडार आयली। तुमच्या आव्हानांनी तुमची व्याख्या जायना, पूण ज्या बळग्यान तुम्ही तांचेर जैत मेळयला ताच्या वयल्यान तुमची व्याख्या जाता, अशें मुख्यमंत्र्यान दर एका अपंगत्वाक म्हटले।
We have been actively creating a livelihood ecosystem. There are measures taken to improve the quality of life and dignity of persons with disability through sensitization workshops and events throughout the year. During this year's International Purple Fest, we inaugurated the Spinal Cord Injury Rehab Center at Bambolim, which is the first rehab center for persons with spinal cord injury in Goa. Wheelchair accessibility across the key locations in some parts of Goa by Ramp My City and supported by Enable India and many more. We look forward to working with many stakeholders in the upcoming months and years to make Goa and our country inclusive and accessible for persons with disabilities.
कि हम बातें बहुत दुनिया में बातें बहुत बड़ी होती हैं, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स की हम बात करते हैं कि पीपल प्लैनेट पार्टनरशिप्स के बिना प्रोग्रेस और इंक्लूजन नहीं हो सकता। आई थिंक एट द पर्पल फेस्ट we have basically shown how inclusion and progress can happen leaps and bounds ahead when there are partnerships involved, when government and people work together to make a beautiful thing, a beautiful space, a beautiful journey for each of us.
How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Thank you. For 6 days, entire Goa was lit up in purple, and it will continue to be in purple. I have loved the energy at the International Purple Fest. During the tour of the International Purple Fest, and I was so happy to understand the work done by the community and the volunteers and all the NGOs who have come here with the ambition to create a platform for all the Divyangjans. These learnings and interactions have helped us to understand how we can work towards making our community, our country inclusive and accessible for persons with disabilities.
I would like to say that few words for the Divyang community. You are not defined by your challenges, but you are defined by the strength with which you have overcome them. I commend each participant of their determination and the fighting spirit they brought to the Purple Fest.
गोवा 365 खातीर गौतमी गांवकार आणि सानिका नागवेकर।